Hello all, it's Adeline Van Dyke from Coldwell Banker Faith Properties, the property sisters of the Mohawk Valley. Today I'm here with you from 115 Spruce Drive in Frankfort. We have a 3-bedroom, 1.5 bath, built in the 1920s, super charming, beautifully maintained. This house is absolutely move-in ready. You've got a nice fenced backyard, side yard. You can see nobody's next to you at the moment. I'm going to take you over to the backyard so that we can take a little peek, and then we're going to go over into the side entrance. So there's your backyard. All right, and let's go right inside. So we're going to enter through the driveway entrance, which is most likely the one that you would use. Okay, so as we walk in, we have a nice mudroom. There's a closet and your family room. I'll give you a minute to look around the family room, and then we're going to go up to the sitting rooms, the formal dining room, and the kitchen. Bear with me one second because we have a little bit of water. It's a drizzly day here in upstate New York. So here we are in the sitting rooms. Take a minute to look around. You'll see it has beautiful woodwork, hardwood floors. You can get a glimpse of the fireplace. Beautiful built-ins. Stairs going up. This cabinet actually opens and you have your television. It pulls out and swivels so you can get a good view from it from any angle in the room. We're going to go right into the formal dining room now. As you see, the beautiful woodwork continues. I'm going to give you a minute just to look around. Now we're going to go into the kitchen. Great storage in the kitchen. So take a minute just to look around. Now we're going to go into another area right now that would be great for a little guest nook or an office. It's not exactly the neatest. This is where he's using to pack up and store everything for the move. So please forgive the fact that there's boxes, but the boxes tell you he's ready to move. So in this area over here, we do also have a half bath. So I'm going to take you to get a little look at that. So here's your half bath here. And as you come back out and you look through this door, that'll take you back through to the outside. All right, so let's go back through. We'll go back through the kitchen and we'll take a look upstairs. Okay, so I'll give you another look at this little sitting area. All right, and up the stairs we go. You'll see the stairs have beautiful woodwork. So as we come up, you'll see the hardwood floors and the beautiful woodwork continue. Let's start in this bedroom here. You'll see it's a nice big bedroom, good windows. As you come through here, we have the bathroom. This is the upstairs full bath. And now we're going to take a look at the second bedroom. Nice large room, 2 closets. Again, nice windows, good natural light. Take a peek around here, and then we'll go and take a look at the master. Okay, and then here we are in the master. You have 2 little closets on either end, and then another big closet. Nice tall ceilings, hardwood floors again. And up here we also have the laundry. So let me take you to look. Very convenient to have the laundry right upstairs. You don't have to drag the clothes up and down You do the laundry right where you generate the dirty clothes. So that was our tour of 115 Spruce in Frankfort. If you have any interest, please give us a call and we'd be happy to get you in for a formal look. Thank you and have a great day.